Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing good. This is your English class and today I am going to take your English fairy class. So class 5, first take out your book and pencil. Okay. As class 5 we know we have already finished our very first story titled Why Evergreen Trees Never Lose Their Leaves, written by Florence Holbrook. Okay, and in our last class we have completed our questions and answers also of page number 7. Okay, I gave you some work to do, and that was to note down all the answers and questions which I have given you in my last class. I hope you already done. Okay, let's move forward. Come to page number 8, class 5. Come to page number 8. Okay, there is very important questions left, like think and answer. Okay, see, these answers can vary from individual to individual. As we know, we all individuals are different, our thought process are different, so definitely these answers can vary. But there is one questions like, what the lesson does this story teach us? इस कहानी से हमें क्या सबक, या कह सकते हैं इस कहानी से हमें क्या सीख मिलती है? सो at the end of a story I told you, like whatever we give out to the world, whether it's goodness or whether it's evil, whatever we give out to the world comes back to us. हम लोग जो भी करते हैं, अच्छा बुरा, इन सम वे और दी अदर वो हमारे पास पलट के आ जाता है. ओके, सो जैसे कि हम लोगों ने स्टोरी में देखा, लाइक द बर्च, द ओक एंड द विलो, दिस 3 trees were so cruel, right? They were so unkind to the little bird who were in need. And what happened? They all punished by the Frost King for their unkindness, for their rudeness, for their cruelness, right? So we can say, like the proverb, there is a proverb like, as you sow so you reap. सुना होगा सबने, as you sow so you reap. जैसा हम लोग करते हैं वैसा पाते हैं. Like exactly हिंदी is like, I think it was like जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी, something like that. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छे से इस स्टोरी में हम लोग समझ सकते हैं इस प्रोवर्ब को. सो हाउ वी विल राइट दिस आंसर? वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस. सी, यस, we can write like this. The story teaches us the lesson that whatever give out to the world comes back to us. The birch, the oak and willow tree were cruel to the little bird and they were punished by Frost King. Change paragraph and write like this. The proverb, as you sow so you reap, is suitable to describe what happened to these cruel trees. So what we will do now is write this question and answer in your English reader notebook as I have written. Exactly, note like this, वैसा लिखेंगे. And if you come to page number 8, See, yes, this is your page number 8, guys. See, values and life skills. In every chapter, you have given values and life skills. जो ये लाइफ स्किल्स है, इट मीन्स कि स्किल्स विच वी विल यूज इन आवर लाइफ, जो हम लोग अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में इस चीज़ को यूज़ करके और बेटर खुद को कर सकते हैं. तो इस स्टोरी में जो हम लोग को वैल्यूज़ सीखने को मिलती है, डैट इज़ एम्पैथी. एज यू गाइस कैन सी, okay, as you can see, empathy is to understand someone or some situation from their point of view. Okay, किसी चीज़ों को समझना उनके नज़रिए से, अपने सेकंड पर्सन थर्ड पर्सन है उनके नज़रिए से समझना, उस चीज़ों को देखना, डैट इज़ एम्पैथीनेस. तो हमें ये वैल्यूज़ यहाँ पे सीखने को मिलती. सी, देयर इज़ अ वन क्वेश्चन, देयर इज़ अ पिक्चर ऑल्सो, एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पेज नंबर 8. a little girl is standing at the door of the class, and all students are like talking, laughing, raising their hands, as you can see. And there's one question, like, imagine that Anika is a new student in your class. This is her first day. So in this picture, a girl who is standing at the door, her name is what? Anika. Okay, Anika. So Anika is new student in her class. You can imagine you are all in your class. Now you are in class 5 and some new students enter in your class. How would you respond? How would you react? How would you deal with that girl or with that student? So this answer can totally vary from person to person. See, one question is there, how do you think she feels on her first day at school? क्या लगता है आपको कि उसे फर्स्ट डे जब वो स्कूल आएगी या आई होगी तो क्या फील कर रही होगी? आप लोग भी जब हुदैबिया इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में डे 1 आए होंगे, व्हाट वाज योर फीलिंग? हैव यू रिमेंबर? कैसा लग रहा था? नर्वस थे, एक्साइटेड थे, मिक्स्ड फीलिंग्स थी, होगी ना? एक्साइटमेंट भी होगा, न्यू स्कूल, न्यू टीचर, न्यू क्लास, न्यू बुक्स, एंड थोड़ा डर भी होगा कि पता नहीं वहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स कैसे हैं, टीचर्स कैसे हैं, मारेंगे पीटेंगे, प्यार से बात करेंगे, अच्छे से डील करेंगे, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है ना. वी ऑल आर सो कन्फ्यूज्ड इन अ फर्स्ट डे ऑफ अ कॉलेज और स्कूल वॉट एवर. सो यू कैन इमेजिन दैट सीन. वो सीन आप याद कीजिए एंड राइट दैट आंसर, नोट डाउन ऑल दोज थिंग्स दैट कम्स ऑन योर माइंड. See, this answer can vary. I have written this answer according to me, जो मुझे लगा, but you can write your own answer. या you can discuss with your friends over the phone, over the chat करते होंगे आप लोग, वहाँ पे आप discuss कर सकते हैं. See, there is second question also, like what could you do to help us settle in? हम लोग क्या ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि वो कंफर्टेबल हो जाए, हम लोग एक साथ मिंगल हो जाए, घुल मिल जाए. So you can write all those answer, and this is all about today. Okay guys, your homework for today is to note down that question, what lesson does the teacher teach us, in your notebook. Answer I have given. So we will continue with this chapter in the next class. Till then, take care. Jazakallah khair. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, thank you.